Now, when we have a transferring of charge occurring, that's going to happen when electrons are loosely bound in some substances. So an example would be when you have a carpet. A carpet does not hold electrons as well as your shoes do. So when you walk on the carpet, your electrons are going to transfer from the carpet to the soles of your shoes. Now, the shoe has a negative charge because it has more electrons than protons. And the carpet has a positive charge because it has lost electrons and now has more protons than electrons. So this accumulation of excess electric charge on an object is called static electricity. Static because it's not moving, it's not going anywhere. So what is the law of conservation of charge? Well, charge can be transferred from an object, but it cannot be created or destroyed. Notice the language here is very similar to other laws you may have heard throughout the semester. You may have heard law of conservation of mass and law of conservation of momentum recently. So those are very similar, and the meaning is similar. So it cannot be created or destroyed, but it will be transferred. So let's see what you remember. So how does an object become charged? Well, electrons move from one object to another. The object that gains electrons becomes negatively charged. The one that loses electrons becomes positively charged. Now, charges are going to exert a force, and opposite charges are going to attract, and like charges are going to repel. And the force decreases as the objects move further apart. So obviously the closer together, then the stronger the force would be.